Hey, I want to talk to you for a moment about what you can recover in your case. What is your case worth? So it begins with economic loss. Two types of loss: economic loss, non-economic loss. Economic loss, what is it? This is loss of earnings. So we'd look at how much money you made and we'd project the loss of earnings over the rest of your work life expectancy. Medical expenses, we sometimes will do what's called a life care plan, where we will project the future medical expenses of a person over the rest of their life. So then we've got economic and medical expenses as the economic component of damages. That's one thing that we look at. Non-economic damages, what does that mean? The change in the quality of your life. So do you have permanent injuries? How long is it? How severe is it? How does it affect the quality of your life, the things that you do every day, and to what effect are you impacted, not just at work, but in the things that you do? So all of those things go into play, and then we look at your age, because the economic and non-economic impact will have a bigger impact on someone who's younger than someone who's older. So a 30-year-old, the damages for loss of earnings and medical expenses will likely be far more substantial than someone who's in their 60s. Those are the things that we look at. Now, wrongful death cases, you can recover when you have a parent who dies for what's called loss of maternal or paternal advice, guidance, nurturing. What does that mean? It means the advice and guidance that your parent would give to you over the rest of their life expectancy. Really important. Those are basically the elements of damages. In wrongful death, you can also recover for interest from the date of death at 9% compounded annually. So that can add up. And what we look at in terms of valuing your case is we first try to determine what is the amount of the economic loss. Let's say it's $500,000, loss of wages, medical expenses. And then we look at what are the non-economic damages. What is the impact and the severity and the permanency of the harm that this is having on the quality of your life? And then once we figure out what the economic and the non-economic damages, we package them up together and we arrive at what is the value of your case. That's how we determine the damages in your lawsuit.